your stomach's too acidic, you can give the Sunrider product is Assimilate. Pero your patient is also hypertensive. So you could also give Primagen, nourish the heart. At the same time, it will help with acidity. But your patient also has fatty liver. So you could also give Alpha-20C for the immune, which would control the acidity. So, ang ganda po, di ba? It will just try to always create a balance. If it's too hard, soften it. If it's too high, lower it down. So basically, it's a very basic principle, very simple, pero mahirap po. If you're going into practice, mahirap na. Sometimes it's very easy to just let the patient take a pill. A pill for every ill. Mataas ang BP ko, pababa. May masakit, Di ako makatulog, matulog. It will be very easy. It will be very hard to make them mag-exercise po kayo. Eh, doktor, pagod na ako, dahil nang ginagawa. Or, umuulan eh. Pag walang ulan, mainit, doktor. Diba? We always have excuses. Trying to change the lifestyle and trying to instill discipline among patients is harder sometimes to just give a... But that is what we have to do. We have to make them realize health is not dependent on the doctor. It is dependent on your will to be healthy. So, we'll be talking about Sunrider herbal medicines in general. So, herbal medicines would be any medicine that would be plant or plant derivative based. So, we have this notion, or some or many would have this notion, herbal is not effective. Or, herbal medicine, there's no science in that. Well, I've been to the Sunrider factory. I can assure you, there's science in it. Diba? You cannot just go inside. They have to disinfect you and they have to do a lot of this gowning to be able to just look at them. And they do a lot of testing. Diba? Ang mahirap nga po sa herbal medicine, alam niyo po, I was attending a DOH seminar before. For a product, Western product, to be approved, you only need 5 years of study. For herbal medicine, it's 25 to 50 years of study. So it's harder. So once it's FDA approved, you're assured of the quality. And Sunrider is FDA approved. So herbal medicine will be precisely balanced food and herbs blended for maximum metabolic function. At don't get this idea po na herbal yan eh. Walang masama dyan. You can take it in many doses. Sabi nga po, we all look for balance. If it's too much, maraming masama. Too much detox is also not good. So, you always try to strike balance. So, herbal medicines would, or herbs, can be your food. They could also be your medicine. But some herbs can also be poison. So you have to be careful. You have to really know your herbs. As po, this is a personal story. We have a patient to approach me. Doctor, let's start a networking company. You'll be the spokesperson and you promote. Sabi ko, sige nga, ano bang products mo? Doktor, sa Pilipinas, you just have to have coffee, pampaputi, pang-detox. Diba? Yun lang, kikita na tayo. Sabi ko, do you have any studies regarding the products you're gonna make? Wala po, we're just gonna import it. Sabi ko na that's dangerous. Tapos, after a few months, he sent me a video, ang daming 1,000, kasi yung sa ato, eto na. After a few months, sarado na. So, you really have to be careful with what you take and what you prescribe, or what you promote. Next slide. Sa herbs po kasi, some would be the king herbs. They are primary and most active component. Some would be the minister herb, they have similar properties that would enhance the effect of the king herb. The assistant herb would be countering any toxic side effect of the king herb. Kasi palalakasin ng minister herb ang king herb, tapos yung mga side effect niya, ika-counter ng assistant herb, and the servant herb would make sure that they would work harmoniously. So hindi po ganun kasimple ang herbal medicine. Diba? Kaya nga po, sa Sunrider, that's why I like Sunrider, they really study the effects of each and every herb before they come up with a product. Imagine if you were listening kanina, 100 kilograms to make 10 kilograms of a product. So they reach the 90 kilograms. Diba? Just to ensure the quality of the product. Next slide. So, as I've said, hindi porky herb, walang side effect. Kaya nga po naglagay ng servant herb, di ba? To counter the side effects. At lahat po, even vitamin C, in very large doses can cause seizure. So wala pong any gamot. Ang gamot po kasi would alter your physiology, your chemistry. So anything na hindi yan sa inyo or anything in excess can cause effects. Pero sa herbal medicines po, since na-balance na at hindi ganun, they will just have yung tinatawag po natin healing reaction. It's like, it's very, yung DPWH, may desilting daw, flood control projects, di ba? Very in ngayon po ngayon, flood control. So yung estero, if you're gonna desilt, malinis na yung tubig, but once you start desilting, di ba, dudumin mo na siya. Kasi magbubulabo. So ganun din po yung sakit, yung katawan natin. Once you start cleaning and nourishing, minsan may mga mabubulabo yan na sintomas. But this will just be temporary. It's what we call as the healing reaction. So you can just reassure or assure the patient po that that's temporary. So it could be, most common would be fever, sometimes GI disturbances, weight loss, or body pains. Okay, next time. So again, to maintain health, you just have to strike a balance in your body. So the art of harmonizing the body's rhythm to restore its natural equilibrium. Because that is what the body does. Well, alam niyo po, pag may infection kayo, nilalagnat kayo, it's the body's natural reaction eh. Kasi itatas na po yung temperature to release the chemicals that your body needs, yung immune cells. Pag na-achieve na po yun, kailangan lumamig, di ba? Papawisan kayo malamig. Pag mabayan, mamaya tatas na naman. So, ganun po kaganda eh. So, our body is always try to strike balance. So, ganun din po ang ginagawa ng Sunrider products. It cleanses, it nourishes, it creates balance so that healing can take effect. So, the stages of wellness, first you have sickness and imbalance. So pag high blood, diabetic, magbabago na ako. Ayoko na, mag-exercise na ako, mag-diet na ako. Then you start to feel good. Diba? So, you start to feel good, stage 2, but now how do you maintain that? Diba? Eh minsan, tagulan, paano mag-jogging? Diba? Ang hirap naman, puro ito na lang kinakain ko. Diba? So, the supplements now would come in or can come in to help you achieve that big health. To help let your body repair and regenerate. Diba? Para hindi na laging forceful ang exercise nyo, hindi na laging puro gulay lang talagang kinakain nyo. So you could also enjoy it paminsan-minsan.